Hey, hello and welcome to yet another class of Arithmetic Progression. Let us take the chapter ahead and understand few more terms related to AP. Let me start with an example. Let me take the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. So on. It is infinite arithmetic progression. So I have taken this example. Let us learn few more terms. The terms that we already know is here the first term A, which is also called as T1, first term, is 5. Next, this is in arithmetic progression. So the common difference D will be T2 minus T1, which is equal to second term is 10 minus first term 5 is equal to 5. 10 minus 5, 5. So we got D as 5. So two things we know. First term is 5. Common difference is also 5. Now let us guess the 50th term in this AP. What? Let us guess the 50th term. Means this is the first term T1, second term T2, third term T3 is 15, fourth term is 20, fifth term is 25. Now I want the 50th term, that is T50th. How will you read this as? 50th term of AP. This is in AP. So let us guess the 50th term in this arithmetic progression. To get the 50th term, let us learn the relation between the first term and the second term in AP. Okay? To guess the nth term. Nth term means some number of terms. If in this case I want the 50th term. So to guess the 50th term, let us first learn the relation between the first and the second term. So let me write the first term. Let me write the first term. T1 is 5. T2 is 10. Can I get a relation between the first and the second term? See, observe. First term is considered as A, right? A is equal to, first term here is 5. Second term is 10. How will I get the second term from the first term? Very simple. How will I get 10 from 5? Using these known information. I know these two information. I know the first term and I know the common difference. With these two information, can I guess the relation between these two terms? Just see. From 5, how will you get the second term? 5 plus second term I want, right? So 2, which term I want? 2 minus 1 into common difference. Common difference is D. Put it in this relation and check. First term is 5 plus I want the second term. So I wrote 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1 into common difference. What is the common difference? 5. 5 plus 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. What is 10? 10 is the second term. I got some relation. Now using the same technique, let us guess the third term. Let us see whether it falls correctly. Let us guess the third relation now. So what did I do? I took the first term. First term 5 plus. Now which term I want? I want the third term. Okay. So third term means 3. 3 minus 1. Minus 1 will remain common. Into I multiply that by common difference D. So first term plus which term I want? Third term. 3 minus 1 is 2 into common difference is 5, which is equal to 5 plus 2 5s are 10, 15. Yes. Is the third term 15? This is the relation. Okay. So let me put it in the form of a formula. Now you have to by heart this formula. In this AP, we know fifth term. What is the fifth term in this example which I gave? Which is the fifth term if I ask you? Which is the fifth term? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you will write it as fifth term, term 5. Fifth term is equal to 25. This is how you have to read it. Fifth term is 25. If I ask you which is the third term, so I'll write it this way. T3. The third term is 15. The third term is 15. Okay. So what relation we got? We got, if you want to guess nth term. In the example I told you the first term, second term. Nth term means it can be the second term, it can be the first term, it can be the fifth term, it can be the 25th term, it can be the 100th term. So n, natural number n. Tn, nth term. What is the formula for guessing the nth term? With this formula, if the sequence is in AP, you can guess any term. So that is this formula. Tn is equal to, what did we do? First term plus, first term is A, no? A plus whichever term you want, that minus 1. Whichever term you want, that minus 1. Now I want the 25th term. So 25 minus 1, 24. I want the fourth term. 4 minus 1, 3. Into common difference. This formula you have to by heart. With this formula, you can guess any term out of the given AP. So by heart this formula, Tn, nth term equal to A plus, what is A children? A is the first term. First term plus n minus 1. I want the fifth term, so n will be 5. I want the 100th term, so n will be 100. 100 minus 1, 99. Into common difference. Now using this formula, let us guess the 50th term in this AP. So how will I put the terms now? I want the 50th term. So T50 is equal to, what is the first term? 5 plus n minus 1 means which term I want? 50th term. So n is 50 minus 1 into common difference. Common difference 10 minus 5 is 5. Common difference is 5. Solve 5 plus, you have to solve the bracket first. Board mass rule. 50 minus 1 is 49 into 5, which is equal to, first you will solve the multiplication. So 5 plus 49 into 5. 5 nines are 45, carry 4, 20, 24, which is equal to 245 plus 5 will be 250. Okay, so how will I write? T50, the 50th term, T50 is equal to 250. How will I read this as? Which is the 50th term in this AP? It is 250. Which is the 50th term in this AP? 250. Or I can ask you this way also. 250 is the dash term. 250 is the 50th term. Which is the 50th term? 250. Or 250 is the 50th term in this AP. Okay. So which formula will you by heart? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This simple formula you have to by heart, and then you can guess any term in the given sequence. You should know the first term, common difference. Okay. So depending upon the question, let us use this formula. In practice set 3.2, the first question you will see repetition of practice set 3.1. That is the same sums. See the question. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. First question is given. Let us solve the first sum. I will be solving the first and the third. Second and the fourth you will do on your own. Okay. Practice set 3.2. I have copied the first question. See, this is given in the form of boxes. So you also have to draw boxes, children. Many of you don't do that. You will lose your marks. Please draw boxes as they have asked and present your answer. You do the calculation and finally answer should be presented in the way they have asked in the question. This is our AP. First term, A is equal to, A is nothing but T1, no? So A is 1 written. T1, first term, T1 will also be A, that is 1. T2 is 8. T3 is 15. T2 minus T1 is asked. T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 means T2 is 8. 8 minus T1 is 1. 8 minus 1 will be 7. So simple 10th standard. This is T3 minus T2. Which is the third term? First term hai ye. This is second term. This is the third term. So third term is 15 minus second term. Second term is 8. How much is 15 minus 8? 7. Okay. So what is the common difference? See, you are getting both the common difference as 7. So D is equal to 7. Over 2 marks. Yes. Same way, solve the second sum and then wait for the third sum. Third sum we'll do together. Fourth sum also you will do on your own. See the third question. This is the given AP. T3, T1, T2, T3. T3 is minus 13. T2, second term is minus 8. T4, first, second, third, fourth. T4 is minus 18. T1 is minus 3. Now change the order and they have asked. Okay, that is done. T2 minus T1, one box. So you have to write the final answer. Come on, calculate. T2 is minus 8 minus T1 is minus 3. Calculate minus 8 plus 3. 8 minus 3 will be 5 and bigger number is 8. So minus 5 is the answer. Write the answer. One box means direct answer. T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 13 minus T2 is minus 8. Okay, so minus 13 plus 8 is equal to minus 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. 13 is bigger, so minus 5. Yes. Getting the common difference same. Next question is A. A means the first term, minus 3. D is the common difference, minus 5. Only 2 sums I will solve, remaining 2 you solve. Practice set 3.2, the second sum. Now we are going to use the formula where we can guess the nth number of term, 20th term. So you will write T20 is equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, common difference. Okay. So see the question. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. First decide whether it is an AP, then find the 20th term. Okay, mixture of so many questions. Let us copy the given sequence. Minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30, dot, dot. This is question number 2. So first we have to decide whether the sequence is in AP and then find the 20th term. First let us check whether it is in AP. Solution as we used to do. A is equal to T1 equal to minus 12. T2 is equal to minus 5. T3 equal to 2. T4 is equal to 9. T5 is equal to 16. T6 is equal to 23. T7 is equal to 30. Okay, so many terms given, but common difference we will work out for 2 to 3 and then we will write. Okay, therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to, let us check whether we are getting the difference common number. T2 is minus 5 minus T1 is minus 12, which is equal to minus 5 minus and minus plus 12, which is equal to minus and plus minus 12 minus 5, 7. 12 is the bigger number. Okay, so now we got 7 as the answer. Let us check for the next terms. T3 minus T2 is equal to, third term is 2 minus, second term is minus 5. Okay? 2 minus of minus 5, which is equal to 2 plus 5. Yes, getting same. One more. T4 minus T3. Let us check. Minus T3 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Yes. One more let us do. T5 minus T4 is equal to, fifth term is 16 minus, fourth term is 9. 16 minus 9 will be 7. As you can see, common difference is 7. So we will write therefore D is equal to 7. The answer, as the difference between two consecutive numbers is 7, as the difference between two consecutive numbers is constant, therefore minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 is in AP. Okay, this much solved. We checked whether it is in AP. Yes, the given sequence is in AP. Now coming to the main question. Find the 20th term. Okay, so how to do that? We'll continue. Okay, so let us write down what is our A. A is equal to minus 12. What is D? D we got 7. We want T20. We want the 20th term. Question mark. 20th term में क्या आएगा? What will be the 20th term? What is the formula? Tn. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 the whole multiplied by D. This is the formula. So we want the 20th term. So n is 20 is equal to A. A is minus 12. First term A is minus 12 plus 20th term means n will be 20 minus 1 into common difference we got 7. Work this, work out. Minus 12 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 7. First you will do the multiplication. So this is minus 12 plus 9 sevens are 63, carry 6, 7 ones are 7 and 7 plus 6 is 13. Subtract plus and minus minus. 133 minus 12, 1, 2 and 1. So we are getting the answer as 121. So how to write the final answer? What we got? What we got the final answer? The 20th term, T20 is equal to 121. That's it. Very interesting sums. Okay, in this practice set. Going to the third question. Third question is given arithmetic progression. Yes, now we don't have to check. It is already in AP. Find the 24th term of this progression. Last was 20th term. This is 24th term. Let us copy the AP. Third question. 12, 16, 20, 24 is in AP. Write it. Is in AP. The sequence is in AP. Find the 24th term. So what is asked? T24 is asked. Question mark. So solution. In this, copy the sequence once again. 20, 24, is in AP. Now write down A, first term. A is equal to 12. Find out D, common difference. 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 will be T2 minus T1 is equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4. So D we got 4. Write it once again. D is equal to 4. We want the 20th term. What is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 24th term means T24 is equal to A. First term is 12 plus 24th term we want. So 24 minus 1 multiplied by common difference is 4. Work out. Remaining I'll solve here. Therefore, T24 is equal to 12 plus 24 minus 1, 23 into 4. Multiplication will come first. 12 plus 23 into 4 will be 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1, 9. This will be 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4 and 104. So T24 we got 104. Final answer I'll 104 is the 24th term in the given AP. Within seconds you can solve if you know the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 the whole multiplied by common difference D. Okay. After solving second, third, now I saw fourth sum is pretty easy that you can do. Find the 19th term in the following AP. That you can do it easily. Fifth sum, let me solve it with you. Check, you solve it and check whether I am getting the answer correctly. Fifth question is, find the 27th term of the following AP. 27th term. So this is the given AP. Let me write down solution. I'll copy the sequence again. Minus 6, comma, minus 11, comma, dot, dot, dot is in AP. Now the question asked is, find the 27th term. Okay. T27 is the question. What all things we know? A equal to 9. T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 4. 4 minus 9 which is equal to minus 5. Same way T3 minus T2 will be minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Okay. So we have the common difference D as minus 5. You have A, you have D. We want the 27th term. So the formula is T27 is equal to A plus n minus 1 the whole multiplied by D, which is equal to A is 9 plus n means here it is the 27th term. So 27 minus 1 multiplied by D we got minus 5, which is equal to 9 plus 27 minus 1 is 26 into minus 5. First to do the multiplication. 26 into 5. 5 6 are 30. Carry 3. 5 2s are 10. 13. And that is minus 9 plus minus 130. Which is equal to 9 minus 130. 130 minus 9 will be minus 121. So therefore T27, the 27th term is equal to minus 130. 9 minus 130 will be minus 121. This is the answer, final answer, right? 27th term is minus 121 or minus 121 is the 27th term. Okay. Our answer is matching. Okay. Coming to the next question. Question number 6. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. So let us guess the range, no? 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. So divisible by 5 means you can't start with 5 because the number should be 3-digit number. 100, yes. Okay, till 99 it is 2-digit number. So if you go for 100, this is the first 3-digit number divisible by 5. Okay, so my AP will be 100 will be the first term. After 100, the next number divisible by 5 will be 105, 110, 115 and so on. Now, guess the last number now. In between we don't want. What will be the last 3-digit number? We can easily guess. Which number will be the last number in this range? Guess the 4-digit number. 4-digit number will be 1000. So just before that, 4-digit number is 1000. Just before that is 999. This is not divisible by 5. So next is 998. No. 997. No. 996. No. 995. So what will be the last 3-digit number? It will be 995. Correct? Correct, no children? Do you have any other answer? Know the first term, we know the last term. Do you know the common difference? Therefore, A is equal to 100. First term is 100. What about the common difference? D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 105 minus 100, 5. So we know D is 5. Now they are asking how many numbers will be there in this sequence. Total how many numbers will be there. Let us use the formula Tn. We don't know, no? 995 is which term? We don't know that. In between the numbers, we don't know. So we will write n. Which term? We don't know. Nth term. Which term? We don't know. So we will write it as n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now look at this AP. We know the first term, we know the last term. But this last term is which term that we don't know. Means this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. This is which term that we don't know. But we know the answer. Okay? Which is that number we don't know. So n we don't know. But the term value you know. So in place of Tn, the term value is 995 is equal to A is 100 plus, now this 995 is which term that we don't know. So we will write it as n minus 1 only, n minus 1 into difference we know is 5. Solve this equation. 995 is equal to, okay, let us bring this 100 to the other side. So 100 when comes to the other side, minus 100 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 995 minus 100 will be 895 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Into 5, bring to the other side, 895, divide by 5. Remaining part I will do here with this. 895 upon 5 is equal to n minus 1. Into 5 comes here, divided by 5. So therefore, divide 8 ones are 8. 3 9 39. So 5 9s are 5 8s are 5 7s are 35. 5 35. So 4 5 9s are 45. 179 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 goes to this side. 179 plus 1 equal to n. So what is n? N is equal to 180. 179. So what will be n? 179 plus 1. 180. This means 995 is nth term. What is that n? 180th term. 995 is the 180th term. I hope children it is easy. 100 is the first term. 105 is the second term, third term, fourth term. Like that in between there are many terms. We know the last term is 995. That 995 is which term? Which term? It is the 180th term. So write the final answer. There are 180 numbers. 180, which type of numbers? 3-digit number. 183 digit numbers. There are 183 digit numbers divisible by 5. I hope it is understood. Now let us quickly take the 7th question. The 11th term and the 21st term of AP are 16 and 29 respectively. This is the 7th question. The 11th term, T11. Which is the 11th term? The 11th term is 16 and T 11th term and 21st term. T21. That value is also given. Which is the 21st term? 29. Okay. 11th term is 16. 21st term is 29. Given in the question. Then find the 41st term of that AP. So the question is, find out the 41st term. What is N? 41. What is the value? That we have to find. What is in the 41st position? That is the question. In the previous sum, we knew the value. We don't know which position it was. We got 180 as the position. Now here we know the position. 41st position में कौन सा number है? That is this question. Let us use the given information. T11 is equal to 16 means what is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula, no? We will be using this formula for T11, this formula for T21. We know T11. So, n is 11. T11 is equal to A plus, what is n? 11. 11 minus 1 into D. We don't know A, we don't know D. We only know that nth term, that is 11th term is 16. So, in place of T11, I will write 16. Therefore, 16 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1, 10D. Okay, this I will put in a box. Same way, you get the answer for T21. Use this formula. T21, n is 21, is equal to A, we don't know, same A. Which term we are talking about? 21st term. So, in place of n, 21 minus 1 into D. Therefore, which is the 21st term? Value is given. 29 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into D. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Solve both the linear equations and get your answer. As you can see, plus plus. Both are having the same sign. So, we will subtract equations 1 and 2. Write down the next step. Subtracting equations 1 and 2. So, what you get? So, I copied the equation properly. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, minus sign, minus, minus. A and minus A cancel. 20 minus 10 is 10D. 20 is greater, so minus 10D is equal to 29 minus 16. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 2 minus 1, 1 and minus sign. Okay, 29 is greater, so minus sign. Therefore, D is equal to 13 upon 10. Minus minus cancel. So, we got D as 13 upon 10. What is the question? Okay. Now, with D, we will find out. We will substitute the value of D in any one equation. We will get A. Once you get A and D, you can guess the 47th term. Which term they are asking? Find the 41st term. 41st term, you can guess. Write down. Substituting D is equal to 13 upon 10 in equation 1. I will substitute in this equation. So, therefore, A plus 10 into, in place of D, I will write 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. 10, 10 cancel. So, A will be, therefore, A is equal to 16 minus 13. A is equal to 3. Okay, A is equal to, here you have 16, Here you have 13. 13 goes to the other side. Minus 13. 16 minus 13. You got A as 3. So A is 3. D is 13 upon 10. Guess the 41st term. Write down the formula. Therefore, D is equal to 13 upon 10. A is equal to 3. The 41st term. Formula is the same. A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values. T41 is the question. Now, what will be the 41st term that we don't know? So, T41 is equal to, we know A, 3 plus n is 41st term. So, 41 minus 1 into D is 13 upon 10. Solve. 3 plus 41 minus 1 is 40 into 13 upon 10. 0, 0 cancel. 3 plus 13 into 4. 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 52. Okay? 52 plus 3 is 55. So, what is the 41st term? The 41st term is 55. Final answer. 55 is the 41st term in the given AP. Did you understand? Mark this question as very important. So in today's class, let us solve till the 7th sum. The 8th, 9th and 10th sum we will be discussing in the next class. So that I don't want to bombard you with the whole practice set today itself. Practice well till the 7th sum. We will be meeting soon with the remaining sums. Take care. Bye.